We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GBP NZD. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action, last candle to right-hand side, is sitting at 1.98511. So if price action pushes down, it can tag that overall low area of red and green, sitting at the numbers of 1.77557. If price action pushes up, it can tag that area of that high, green and red, at 3.50814. And before reaching there, market can tag that midpoint, which will be near the numbers of 2.65560. And before tagging that, market can tag the second level lows, and that will be nearer the numbers of 2.18258. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action, last candle to right hand side is a bullish green candle, more like a doji style candle, spike up to the high. Price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, the last candle, at least six last candles in the market are all consolidating. It's all on the following level. The seventh and eighth last candle pushed down to a low, so we're going to read that area to figure out what happened to the last six candles in the market and what's going on. So if price action pushes up, we are looking for that low red and green. So we only had two low red and green tags, and that was with the price and second to last candle of the market. So we have that first leg, market pushed up for that second, came back for that third, and then it pushed up with the price second, third, the fourth to last candle that tagged that area, and then the rest consolidated sideways. So market's trying to push up from a huge W formation. But let's pay attention to what's going on near price. So near price, when that market did reach that low, with the, was that second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth last candle, eighth and seventh last candle of the market, we did receive that first leg, second leg. So once that market made it to the third, a sixth candle, which is here, the doji, it went up to the following level. So it created that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, one retest, and we're going to see if that market is going to push out with the price action candle to the second level highs. So price is coming from a single bottom, and we have a 1, 2, 3, a triple retest altogether, quadruple bottom if market pushes up out of the second level lows. If price action comes down, where is it coming down from? So when we pull the screen back, we can see that market started off at a high. So this is the market that pushed that market to a high that worked its way down. So let's identify what happened. So we do have that first leg touching that high, green and red, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a double top formation. Market finally broke the midpoint level of overall structure. So we received that fourth leg, retest, one push, retest, second push, retest with the fourth to last candle, and we're going to see if that market's going to push that down with the third push. But whatever happens, price action has to engulf the last six candles in the market to push that market up or down. So far we all know we're in a consolidation of a pattern of a triple bottom or maybe a triple top. So we're waiting for that pattern to push up or push down. Walking down to the 6-month time frame. Price action on the 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. So the way we break down this area, we do know that once again, market's coming from that single bottom, multiple retests as a quadruple bottom. Let's count it: first, second, third, first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up 1, 2, 3. So we're reading as a triple bottom. Earlier it was a quadruple bottom. So we're looking for the breakout of the second last candle. So we can see that price action has created some support from the second last candle doji, from that spike down to the low. Price action is off in the previous candle, so we got to break down to see what's happening in that market. So if you look at the price action body of that candle, price action body of that top of that candle is above the previous candle body. Price action wick is side by side with the previous wick. So what it's reading is that price in second is having a hard time pushing up above the third to last candle. So we have that sideways resistance that's lining up perfectly, and then within the bodies of that candle we have an incline. So if you look at what we just drew out a wedge pattern. So we're going to see if we can see that wedge pattern as we walk down the time frame, that market bouncing up and down, or maybe just identifying as a break and retest. So what we're going to do as well, you know, we're working with this area, we have a resistance, we have a support. We're going to add a midpoint in the middle, and let's take a look at what's going on. So in that midpoint, I may want to drop it just a little bit. Price action like it slightly just broke it, trying to gauge the top to the bottom. So it could have been a slight break. We'll identify as we walk down the market. Walking down to a 3-month time frame. So price action 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle spike up to a high, weak candle. Okay, so when it spikes up to the high with the price action, the third to last candle, the sixth to last candle, and it's coming from the main pattern of this structure here. So when that market broke, came back to retest, what did we receive? First, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest, and we're going to see if this market's going to drop down unless it turns to a bullish green candle following. But what is actually reading is that market has respected the break, and it retests the top of the support. So if a bearish red candle drops down on side of price action, work its way down, we know that market's coming down to the following level, or at least the midpoint of that level, unless it works its way up. So far, what is reading as, if you look at price action, look at that support, that's multiple touches, you can see that pattern in there for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So price action is a retest. Okay, it did come back to retest that SR line that it broke. We're going to see if we're going to follow up the push. If not, market's coming back down. Working our way to the monthly time frame. Price action monthly time frame reading as a bearish red candle. So what we talked about in a 3-month time frame is identifying itself on the monthly time frame, where that market did do what? It broke from that double bottom, but it looks more like a triple bottom. Let's go with the W. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth double bottom. Okay, even though it's a triple bottom, overall quadruple bottom, we want to add that left piece. Retest. Now we're going to see if that market's going to push up out of that area or work its way down through the zone. So the way we break down the area is we have the high, we have the midpoint, and we are creating the low now. So if market break the midpoint, can head down to a low unless it creates momentum off the second level lows of this area here, or the support, and then work its way back up. But so far we are reading that we have to break the retest. So now we have to wait to see what's happening. Is it going to break through, or is it going to follow up with the following green candle, work its way back up? Weekly time frame, price action reading as a bullish green candle spike down to a low. So what we're looking for in here, we're looking for price action to break below the third to last candle, or break above that third to last candle to the top side. So if you see how it's reading, is broke the midpoint, came back to retest. Okay, but if you pay attention to what happened at the high, what happened at that high area, we received a double top, price second, third, fifth and fourth candle has tagged that area twice. So it's a double top in that area. Market broke, retest 1, retest 2, market came back down, just consolidated sideways. So if it respects, let's say if it works back up with the bullish green candle, we know it can head up to the midpoint, which would be near the numbers of 2.00798. And if so, we could see that it'll come from that pattern. Third leg will be the first touchdown, second leg, third leg, and we'll see that market pushes up. Working our way to the daily time frame. So price action on the daily time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, did receive the engulfment. So we're going to see if that market's going to work its way up to the midpoint, to the following area. This is the overall midpoint here, and then second level highs and second level lows.